In this video, I'm going to show you how to make viral thumbnails using AI, and I will be using Gemini. Your thumbnail determines if someone clicks or scrolls past. With Gemini, you can create professional thumbnails in minutes, no design skills needed. Let's get started. Select Gemini 3.5 Flash from the drop-down menu. Gemini 3.5 Flash is a fast, powerful AI image generation model. It's perfect for thumbnails because it creates high-contrast, dynamic images quickly. Here's the simple process. Step 1. Open Gemini. Go to gemini.google.com or open the app. Step 2. Write your prompt. Be specific. Include the subject, action, background, and style. For example, you can say, a smiling person holding a laptop toward the camera, bright blue background with bold text overlay saying tutorial, YouTube thumbnail style, high contrast. Step 3. Generate and refine. To generate, click Enter. Then wait for a moment, then if it's not perfect, regenerate a few times or refine your prompt. That is it. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.